All right, we're live here looking at the market. Crazy momentum on AERC. Um, literally, I headed to the gym at literally 1:30, and right when it broke 750, I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna trade it. I'm just gonna walk away. It's already 11:30, and I come back, and this shit hit $14. That's insanity. That's crazy. I would have never expected this just to keep going. Dude, the FOMO is so intense right now. Who knows if this keeps going? And then Jan, of course, rips literally parabolic from 350 to 5. Who knows if this keeps going? I don't know, but I get back from the gym just right now, and you know what? I'm not seeing anything that I'm about to trade right now. And it's kind of unfortunate that these moves happened at 2 o'clock in the afternoon or 2:30 in the afternoon. It's mind-boggling, and it's a little bit like stressful because I want this type of action to be at 9:30 or 9 a.m. or 10 o'clock. I don't want this to happen at 12 or 1 or 2. I'm just not here trading it. And most people aren't here trading it. And you see the volume is a lot lighter than it was at 9:30. And I hope that tomorrow we get some really good action. I really do hope that AERC brings momentum back into small caps because this was awesome. And here we go, popping up again. I didn't even get a chance to. Oh, wow. Wow. I'm not trading yet. I'm just watching. Here you got a little bit of a shakeout of the shorts, shakeout of the longs. I'm gonna go make my protein shake real quick. I'll be right back. All right, we're back with my protein shake. Let's turn on the lights here. It's starting to rain, so it's getting a little dark here. I hope this isn't the end of the momentum. It's not even 3 o'clock yet. But damn, we had some sick moves here. AERC and Jan. I have one new viewer in here. Quick update since you're just getting in here. I didn't trade any of this. I was actually at the gym, and this went without me. All right, let me wash my hands. I don't want I got germs from the gym here. Let me go wash my hand. I'll be back in 30 seconds. Okay. Yo, what up, Omar? How's it going? Maybe we'll get some moves after 3 o'clock. Jan, let's see, it stopped right at $5, so it really pulled back hard though. Yeah, the afternoon is really hit or miss. It really depends if there's momentum, but damn, look at AERC. Like, this is insanity. I wish I was trading this all throughout the day, but I was so used to everything dying down by like 10 o'clock that I stopped trading right around this area, and I went to the gym and I come back, it's at $14. And I'm like, this is the type of action that I want to see at 9:30. I don't want to see this in midday. I want this action, to be right at 9:30 or 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, because that's when it's going to be most explosive. It's unfortunate that it happened midday because most traders aren't here to be trading this. So I got an alert in HUSA. Maybe this can pop up to 688 and 7. Jan, I'll put an alert here at if it get over 450. I think that's definitely black in play. And wow, if anyone was on Jan here, that was like parabolic in 3 minutes, 40% move. That's like insane. We haven't seen that type of action in months. I don't know what happened, but everything just squeezed for like a second. It might be dead. It might be see nothing for the rest of the day. I'm really not sure what's going to happen here. Let's look at some other stocks. Let's see what else we got. ONCR. No, it doesn't look that good. AXDX was trading good earlier today. Not that good. EFOI. Okay. Let's put this on the watch list. EFOI. All right. AUVI is popping up here. Let's see what AUVI looks like. Okay, AUVI making a new high. Let's pull this up. Let's see if there's news on it. No news. It's just a random pop. Relatively low volume on this candle. Let's see how far this can push. We gotta rip up to 190 here. I just don't know. HUSA. I don't know. I really don't know. We still have an hour and 15 minutes left. AUV still popping up a little bit higher. Do I just jump in for 190? Can't just jump in. Resistance is definitely in the 90s, and then you want to look at the break of this candle, 199, then you may have room up to 20s, 220s. So let's see. Maybe we'll see a pullback to the 9 EMA. Maybe we'll get more volume in. Right now I'm up 286 on the day, so if I'm going to trade, it has to be a really good setup, and I'm probably going to start, small size until I definitely get a feel for a ticker. So the main ones I'm looking at right now are RDBX, HUSA, which I seriously think it might break 688 at some point today. It's holding up quite nice. Jan pulled back a lot though, and then AERC, but who knows what AERC is doing now. It pulled back. I'm sure shorts are pouncing on that. problem right now with AUVI is it's a little bit low volume, and there's no catalyst. But we did see a high day, almost high day volume there. oh, 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 oh. Okay, Jan is curling up. Let's see if we can get a move out of this. Literally double topped at 504. Dude, this might be a cup and handle. Let's see. Oh, man. Oh, man. I don't know if this is going to squeeze. I don't know yet. It might be tomorrow or after hours. Man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. USA, you know, I want to see, you know, higher volume, break out of here, and then run towards 675, and then that's when I'll think about getting my first entry. It does look so choppy though today. All right, who's in the chat right now? I had 2 people earlier, and then 2 people left, and then 2 people came back. I have no idea who is in the chat anymore. Who we got watching? Okay, let's look at RDBX here. We're curling up kind of at $8. So let's look here at the daily. So we got resistance. The chart don't look. I don't know if it has the power to go to $10. Doesn't have a catalyst, and it's relatively lower volume right now. Only 44,000 shares, 100,000 shares. I think tomorrow I might go back to my regular share size. Today I was kind of trading maybe about half my normal share size for a good portion of today, just because how slow it's been, and I had a lot of red days last week. I just wanted to, you know, get back into my mojo. But I think, you know, if tomorrow is anything like today or any better, I'm definitely going to, you know, get back to, you know, 500 share increments. Today definitely could have been a home run day if I really traded the size that I was trading, 2 weeks ago. All right. Hello, we got a new viewer here. Wow, 2 viewers. It's pretty rad. Let's look at Jan here. It looks like it's be curling up. We got a high here at 37, 38. Let me put on my glasses so I can, get back in the trading. I can't trade without my glasses. Okay, here we go. We're gonna hold this and break 450. Let's size down to 100 for right now. I don't want to be taking too much risk. I am up nicely on the day. I don't want to be risking that, at 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, but we'll see. It's got to be a really good setup. Break of 150, 450, sorry. Wow, it's a hidden seller. You see that? How it got bid? The 450 got bid, slammed down, got bought up, but didn't break. Means there's a hidden seller. Just gonna read the tape, practice my tape reading skills. If some opportunity does come that's like A+, then definitely gonna trade. But we'll see. We'll see if that happens. Jen pulling back again, another 12 cents. I'm gonna have to play some music. Get this party started. EFOI here is curling up. Let's see that. Look at the daily. It does have some room here. Well, looks like the momentum might have passed. This might have been it. It might be smart for me to just, you know, walk away. Jan dipping down again. AERC still selling off. HUSA giving some sort of hope here. Let's put in a starter here for a break of 60. Wow, why does that feel so laggy? Quick scalp there. Couple dollars. Let's see if this holds. I really should have held at least 100 shares, but just in case it does rip to the high. But let's see, you know, if it does hold up this level at 58. If it can hold 58, let me remove all these lines. They're just getting annoying. This is why I don't like streaming, because it makes my freaking computer breathe fire. EFOI making a new high there. How much I make on that? HUSA. Well, this fill I didn't get anything actually, so I only made like $8 or so. See, look, it didn't hold that at all. Didn't hold that at all. This is why I take my profits quick. This is why I take my profits quick. But I should have, you know, at least waited for the break of this, which was 58, and then I could have got potentially 60s. But I took off at 57, which is okay. But you know, the best way to play that is for the break of this high. After seeing that huge volume, nice volume and strong green candle come in. So I'll take it, but it's got to hold up here, hold the 9 EMA here. If it dumps back down, you know, the market may close before this even ever has a chance to coming back up to 688. thing that looks good right now is HUSA, but the volume's gotta be bigger. Volume's gotta be bigger. Maybe 500, 300,000, 400,000. I wish, Jan, ideally Jan would like curl up here, break this, and then start, high volume going into 480s, and then up towards 5. You got a nice resistance level at 5, and then 504, which I think it's going to break this level, either after hours or it's going to break it, tomorrow. But look at all this supply up here, all this resistance. Wow. So if it does break 5 and hold, this thing can rip up to, $6, $6.12, $6.70 is the next resistance area. 7, 8. Who knows how far this is go? It's a micro float. And then you look at AERC. Like no one ever expected this type of squeeze to happen, and this is something that can happen on Jan. This might happen on Jan tomorrow. No one expected that. All the way up to $14. So once it starts breaking a huge resistance level, that you don't even know how high this is going to go. So the reason I guess it stopped around $14.50 or $14 is because of this area here, this huge resistance area. But since you did have some resistance at $9, some resistance at $5, but that's it. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Man, what a beautiful chart. Look at this curl just hugging the 9 EMA and just like grinding almost parabolic. Actually kind of did go parabolic, but I guess it was parabolic over the course of 23 minutes. RDBX, HUSA curling back up. Let's see this. Let's see it. Give us something good. 688. Then we're looking to $7. This chart looks good, bouncing off this previous resistance point, which is now support. Let's see it. Now, I'm asking myself, where is the entry point? Where is the next entry? I got to see, some more interest in this first, because this is still very weak volume. I mean, compared to earlier today. It goes RDBX through 8. Let's jump over to RDBX and see what's going on here. Okay. What have we got here? RDBX is another, potential for this week. Still curling up, holding support, now curling into the highs. You're getting some good volume here. Might take an entry. Got some buyers. I don't know. If it would have went, I felt like it already would have went already. I feel like HUSA is just stronger right now. Oh my goodness. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of people interested in RDBX right now. Got a huge block there. A couple cents. Couple more cents. That was definitely not an A+ setup. Okay. Oh man, RDBX can't read that crap. Let's go to HUSA here. I'm just gonna stay live until about like 350 or so, 345. I want to see if something, still has some power in the close. But, there might be nothing. That might have been it. AERC might have blown its load around 1 o'clock along with Jan, and that might be it. Who knows? But, HUSA is a potential. Let's see. It has room up to 7. What is this level here? 735, 750. So really, I'm looking for $7. The break is $7. Break is 688, and then a potential added $7. Yeah. DMC, RDBX. I'm having a tough time trying to read this, but it is going. Somehow it's going up. But yeah, RDBX definitely needs some more volume. Same with HUSA, to be honest. Day is going good so far. I'm up 394 right now, so definitely a solid day. maybe we'll, I'm definitely consider taking more trades if something pops up, but I'm also okay with, that being it. And there goes RDBX, instant 20-cent drop. Something was sketchy about RDBX. AERC and Jan might be enough to kickstart momentum. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. The thing is, they're not really holding up that well, but just the fact that they could make that move is definitely brings some more confidence to anyone going long in small caps. So maybe tomorrow people will be more, inclined to buy, anticipating a breakout, hold, and then adding for the first pullback for some continuation, because that's the A+ setup. And if people are confident buying breakouts and holding, then that's how you get moves like AERC. I mean, even me just seeing AERC gives me confidence tomorrow. I'm even willing to size up a little bit tomorrow if the market stays kind of what we had today. It's good enough to size up, have a home run day potentially. All right, first entry here. I'll add on a pullback if we have a 1 minute pullback underneath the high. So just a small share size here. If we break out right now, which we think we are right now, I want to see a pullback first. ARG. Pullback. Okay. Let's take the profits here. Look for another entry. See, this here would be a good potential entry if you're anticipating $7, but I really don't know if it's going to $7. I really don't know. Volume increased slightly. Really, I wanted to see that breakout, instantly gap from shorts covering to $7, and then, seeing on the active trader ladder getting bought up real quick, and then another gap to maybe 705, 710, and that's where we take profit. But we didn't really have any sort of pop. So only, another couple dollars. This would have been a really good entry. I guess I wasn't looking at it at that time, but wow, this candle would have been a nice first entry for an ad up towards, break a 680, 85 for the highs. Let's see if we can break 690. I don't want to buy a dip because, technically right now it's a double top or, a false breakout on the 1 minute. So I don't want to buy this dip. I want to wait for it to hold 690s. And then for a move to set a break of $7. RDBX doing all types of weird crap today. Still 40 minutes left in the day. We're getting some green. Let's see if we can go up to something in my eye. See if we can curl up to 690. So we got 120 on the ask at 89. What data do you display on your monitors? You're seeing it right now. I look at the tape, I looked at the active trader ladder, look at the volume, the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA, the VWAP. Then I have a chart off of this screen with the daily chart on it with the 200 moving average or exponential moving average. That is what I'm looking at. And then also I have my scanner as well off screen. So it's holding this level. Let's see if the 90 EMA can push this over 690. Oh no. Those are the worst days ever when you're green and then you give back all the profits and end red. That's like the worst feel. It's worse than, you know, going from break even to red. All right, here we go. Let's see. Can it break it? Can we break it? All right, I'm going to add here. All right, for 7. Let's see another add. Let's go. Add, add, add. Come on. Let's break it. There we go. Look for a potential another entry. Oh, I should have held 100 shares. Let's see if it pulls back. Let's see if we retest $7. Volume increasing, good sign. Let's see it pull back to 7. Let's see if this holds $7. What are we doing here? Are we going? Are we going to pull away here? Okay, it's like got a nice 3.5 cent there. That's good. Quick scalp. Let's look for a pullback to $7. I think we might just pull away there. Oh man. Let's see a 1 minute pullback. Let's see a 1 minute pullback. Let's put in an order here. I think we're going to pull back to 7. Let's look for a better entry around 7. Let's see it pull back to 7. Or to the 9 EMA. Yeah, that was a nice scalp. That was a really nice scalp. DMC. Waiting for, you know, a retest of the 9 EMA here. That's really what I'm looking for. Come on. Broke. All right. Let's put in a starter. Let's see if we can break this 1 minute candle here at 7:15. Could add a little bit more here. It's holding 7. I don't want to add though because I don't want to be too big a size on potential backside. So we're going to hold. Okay, we're buying. Let's take some off for break even. This didn't broke. It was a hidden seller at 707. It got bought up, but it didn't break. How much am I? 325. Wow. So I made a nice, you know, since I started trading, I made about 40 bucks. Made about 40 bucks. It's not bad for a power hour. Looking for 4 reds, then go green. Yeah, I think that might be a good idea. Let's see if we hold this 9 EMA. Selling volume is decreasing. That's a good sign. I just added, took some sells there. Let's see, holding 100 still. Man. This could be the bottom, but there's just so many sellers. It's like $5. That's okay. I'm trading very small size. But yeah, the reason my entry here was once it broke this previous support or this previous candle low, and then I saw buyers come in on the tape and then just get bought up to the 9 EMA, that showed me that there was a lot of buyers under here and looking, you know, to bid this up and then for a move higher. But it hesitated right at 705. It needed to flip green and then hold and move to 710 and break, you know, potentially 710 or 715. And then that's when you know, take profits and then maybe hold, you know, if it's really hot, you know, maybe you add. But, you know, in this market, sometimes, I want to be taking profits here, holding a little position, looking to potentially add if it does hold. I don't want to get in yet because this could be the start of the backside. However, it is showing that it's holding the 9 EMA, so it could be a good opportunity to get in on this right here and then maybe add if it does come up to the high. You could play it that way, or you could be more conservative and wait for, the move to start unfolding, but then you'll be, getting in higher, and then, potentially you could get into a false breakout. There's so many different ways to play these types of stocks. Everybody plays it differently. Everybody plays it differently based on, the time of day, share size. Shorts are nervous for sure. Shorts are nervous. After seeing AERC rip, shorts, if I'm a short, I'm definitely have my yellow flags up. Scary, scary, scary. This could be a bull trap. I'm going to put in a starter for a break of the high. Shit, should have held that, huh? Should have held that. Fuck. Now it's going to be a double top. I can't. I just tripped over myself there. I should have held that position. Yeah. I mean, it's about break even. All said and done. Nice, 10 cents. That's really good. 705 to 715. Yeah, that's solid. I was the one buying at 715. I think I still could break the high. I don't even know what this is. Kind of tripped over myself there, but I should have held this position and then just added since it held 720. But I was so scared of a false breakout. See, just like this. Yeah, back to where I was. Damn, nice. Nice scalps. Nice scalps. Those scalps definitely add up. 10-cent scalps, at the end of the day, you're sitting good. Here goes Jan curling up. Is this going to make a rip through 5? Don't know. It's kind of following AERC. Let's pull up Jan. Let's see what Jan is doing here. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh man, if Jan like rips parabolic through $5, that would be insanity. AERC now getting some vol. Ooh, we might get some last minute action here. Man, if this thing breaks 504, that previous high, it could be a good opportunity here. I can't get in here though. I have to wait for a proper setup for sure. See, you could wait for a rip, but I don't know. This could be a good opportunity down here. Let's see. Anyone in the chat right now who's watching the stream, thank you for watching and supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and show your support. I'm definitely going to be live streaming more often, maybe not every day, but whenever I can, I will definitely be live streaming while I'm trading. My girlfriend also works from home, and she kind of works 10 feet that way. So I definitely don't live stream when she's working because it kind of bothers her when I'm talking. So that's the reason why I don't live stream kind of in the mornings unless she's not here. I will live stream. So, but I will live stream whenever I can. It's definitely something I like. It also, I think, helps my trading too. I just I explain to myself the trades, and it just helps. Wow, AERC. Okay, let's pull this up. This shit going to the high, maybe. This shit might be going to the high. Let's put an alert here. I'm going to put an alert on Jan at 670. But let's look at AERC. I'm going to size down a little bit, just a little bit more expensive stock. So we'll start with 50 share increments. Again, I don't want to be, risking the boat that I've just worked so hard all morning and, a little bit this afternoon to make. So I think it's responsible for me to size down. If AERC rips to the high, Jan is totally following. Doesn't help that I have to pee right now, but I think I can hold it. I'm going to hold it. Great trading, Ken. Collecting scalps all day. Scalps? A lot of people shit on scalpers because, why are you selling so soon? Why don't you hold, man? But, most of the time, you're buying into false breakouts anyways, unless it's a really hot market. Past month, 2 months, If you aren't a scalper, you would be red right now. So that's why I don't like, when people shit on scalpers, that, you're the ones that are making the market so choppy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to wait for a bigger pullback here. Jan is looking good too. Shit. I might have to jump over to Jan. I'm looking at it. If it does gap to like 70. Shit. This is a tough spot. It's very extended right now on Jan and AERC. Jan looking like a false breakout right here. AERC looking, a little bit top heavy here. We might see a pullback back under 1250 before we get a move to 1350. Jan making a bigger pullback. Jan could be a good dip buy here though. Let's see what's going on here at Jan. I don't know, it's getting to 342 here. Here's a pullback. AERC. I could go for the dip. Let's see what we get here. I think AERC is a little bit stronger than Jan. So let's focus on AERC. And then if AERC breaks out, then we'll jump over to Jan for that breakout if it does look good. We're getting close to the close though. I don't know if it's going to happen today. Ooh. AERC flirting with the big dump. Ooh, okay, okay. Reclaiming this 9 EMA. I don't know. Could be a cup and handle pattern. Or it could be a dump pattern. You just never know. Jan curling up. Okay. All right, AERC, let's see. Ooh. It is a tug of war right now. Rejected 13s for a little bit, but then it rejected off the lows. And it looks like we're gonna break. Man, what a shakeout on Jan. What a shakeout. Now it's ripping back up. Not ripping, but I mean, it's bouncing back up. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh boy. AERC, are we gonna see a rip into the close? Are we gonna see it? And I gotta pee so bad. All right, I gotta go pee. I can't hold it. Be right back. don't know. That might be it, folks. It's 350. It is 350. I'm going to upload my trades here. All right. I think that might be it. So I went from 286 on the day to 327 on the day. So pretty solid. I'm happy I came back. I made an extra 40 bucks, an extra 40 bucks. That's good. That's good. I can fill up my gas tank. That's good stuff. Well, I mean, now maybe a half a gas tank, but yeah, not bad. Tomorrow, I hope this momentum continues. Maybe we get some other action. Tomorrow might size back up to 500 shares. And, I could potentially have a $400 to $500 day tomorrow if it's similar, but I can't go in, expecting that because, that's just a recipe for a big red day. Just got to, kind of take it as it comes. If the market heats up in the moment, then, if I feel like it's right, then I can size up. But I'm not going to expect myself to be sizing up or forcing myself to size up if there's no A+ hot market setup. But good on you, DMC. Got a nice couple scalps. Scalping is the way to go. Scalping is definitely the way to go, especially in this market. Jan didn't give any pullback here. Literally just opened and squeezed another fucking 10%. Jesus. Halts up and squeezes another 10%. Insanity. Literal insanity. That's awesome. This is awesome. these are the trades that, you know, the right timing is if you're sitting there at the market looking at this squeeze up, man, you can make a killing. You can make a freaking killing. All right, looks like the market might be closing here without AERC ripping. All right, that is it. Finishing up 327. That's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next day trading recap. Market's about to close, and I'm definitely not going to be trading after hours. I usually don't. Usually spells disaster in after hours for me. So see you guys tomorrow for pre-market, 7 a.m. 7 a.m. sharp. All right.